DCL America has been manufacturing sophisticated emission control systems since 2008 in our first Houston facility just down the road. I'm very excited to welcome you to the opening of our brand new DCL America facility. We can all be very proud of this new facility as it will allow us to expand our business in America to better meet the demands of our existing oil and gas customers. This facility will also make it possible for us to further develop emerging clean energy technologies for various industries in America. Our systems have significantly minimized harmful air pollutants and improved energy efficiency across North America.
The past decade of operations has shown why Houston is known for its entrepreneurial spirit, its skilled workforce, and its unwavering commitment to innovation. As we look forward, I'm filled with optimism. This facility is more than just bricks and mortar. It is a launchpad for the next generation of innovation in our industry.
We are driven by the positive impact that our innovative technologies have had on the environment we live in.
In closing, let me say how proud I am of what we've accomplished together to get to this point. We're building something special here in Houston, and I'm excited to see where it will take us.